Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a UCOCARE P1 Smart Video Doorbell and you need to do a hard reset on it. You might need to do this hard reset for a variety of reasons. If the camera is not syncing with the app or not connecting to Wi-Fi, or if it's not connected, or any kind of troubleshooting issues like that can very often be fixed with a hard reset. Now, if you're moving or installing the camera somewhere else, it's also a good idea to do a hard reset as well, as this will restore it to the default factory settings and let you set it up as a new doorbell. So if you're ready to do that, we can go ahead and proceed. All you need to do is on the side of the doorbell, you'll see you have to pull the little cover off where you access the SD card reader and the chargers and everything like that. And at the very top, you can see there is a small hole. And you'll need to come in here with either a paper clip or a pin. Just make sure it's not too sharp so it doesn't damage it. Or like one of those iPhone SIM card ejectors. Anyways, you're going to press and hold this for 5 seconds. And actually, after the 5 seconds, it should make a sound, like a little doo-goo sound. And that's how you know that your camera has reset, and you can go ahead and set it up.